What is up, guys? Britt Tech here, back with another video. And today I'm going to be installing software upgrade iOS 13.4. So let's go ahead and get straight into the video. Okay, guys, so for this update, we're going to go ahead and go to settings. And then scroll down to general. And then go to software update. Okay, so iOS 13.4 introduces new emoji stickers and iCloud Drive folder sharing from the Files app. This update also contains bug fixes and improvements. So let's go ahead and learn more about this update. Okay, so it says emoji, 9 new emoji stickers including smiling face with hearts, hands pressed together, and party face. Files, iCloud Drive folder sharing from the Files app. Controls to limit access only to people you explicitly invite or grant access to anyone with the folder link. Permissions to choose who can make changes and upload files and who can only view and download files. Okay, so mail, always visible controls to delete, move, reply to, or compose a message in conversation view. Responses to encrypted emails are automatically encrypted when you have configured SMIME. And then, okay, so App Store with Apple Arcade. Universal purchase support enables the use of a singular purchase of a participating app across iPhone, iPod Touch, iPad, Mac, and Apple TV. And then recently played arcade games appear in the arcade tab, so you can continue playing on iPhone, iPod Touch, iPad, Mac, and Apple TV. And then list view for see all games. And then we have CarPlay. So the third-party navigation app support for the CarPlay dashboard. In-call information appears on the CarPlay dashboard. And then, augmented reality. Let's see, AR Quick Look supports audio playback in USDZ. And then for keyboard, it says predictive typing support for Arabic. Oh, wow. Okay, so, and then there's just a bunch of bug fixes and other improvements that they're going to be doing, and just go ahead and read through that in your settings, guys. There's so much going on with this update. I highly recommend it. And yeah, let's go ahead and get back to it. So we're going to press the back button and then download and install. And then your Wi-Fi does have to be on. Make sure it's on and your phone is fully charged. My phone is fully charged, so it's not hooked up to the charger. But if yours isn't, go ahead and hook it up to the charger. Make sure it is at least 50% charged. Okay, so update requested. Okay, guys, now it's downloading, and it says about 1 minute remaining. And then after it downloads, it's going to install. Okay, let's go ahead and select install now. Verifying update. It has begun to install. It just rebooted and now it just started. So let's go ahead and wait for this to finish. Okay, guys, looks like we're halfway through. Almost done. Okay, guys, looks like we are done. Your iPhone has been updated to iOS 13.4 software update. So guys, I highly do recommend this update just because it was so many things that were changed. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.